I don't know why, 'cause I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell, I know. I don't care. Okay, so gusto kong makita yung reaction dito sa area na to. And gusto kong makakita ng magandang reaction dito that sellers are strong. And gusto kong wag na tong, ayan, tong area na to is wag nang malagpasan. Wag na, kumbaga wag na mag-break sa taas. Kumbaga ito na yung mataas. Yan, kumbaga hanggang dyan lang siya. Below this. Or it's better kung below siya dito. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so gusto ko mag-close to below and red candle. Then magpuputs ako. 490.
autofilled.
Okay, so nag-enter ako dito. Let's see. Okay, it's either must stop ako dito. Okay, so I have to be careful. I'm gonna exit once it hit my stop. Okay. Then again, if it hit my stop, I need to stop. I need to exit. Approaching my stop. I will exit as soon as possible. I have to wait. My exit is here. Itong yellow na to. So my pinaka-exit is here. Yan, dyan. Exiting soon.
Autofill.
Alright, so I exited. Okay, 40. Okay, so today I exit. Okay, so today is a loss. So, as you can see, nag-exit ako dito. I just need to always give, little time before exiting. So, ito yung pinaka-exit ko. But I have to give a little bit space bago ako mag-exit. Especially dahil dito siya sa key level ko. So, it closed below, malaki yung chance that as it closed above, it closed above, not below. As it closed above this blue level, is lilipad na yan. Possible na lumipad siya. Mag-iba na yung trend niya, okay? So, I'm all out. Zero position. As you can see, zero position, and I lost $48. So, sa trade na to, nag-lose ako ng $48. So, today, I am Ipit. So, that's how it is. As you can see, walang dalawang isip. It reached my stop. I exited. Kailangan mag-exit. That's how it is. And ganun talaga eh. Kapag hindi araw-araw sang-ayon sa'yo ang market. So, I just have to make sure wala na akong position. Okay, right here you can see zero position. And PNL is negative 48. So, that means nag-loss ako ng $48 dahil na-stop ako dito. Okay? So, kung hindi ako nag-stop dito, so, nag-enter ako dito. I entered here. Ayan. Dito ako nag-enter sa candle na yan. And then, nag-exit ako dito sa candle na to. Okay? So, since this is my yellow line, so, kapag sa stop line ko, nagbibigay ako ng space. Ayan. Kailangan ko magbigay ng space before I exit. Yan. So, kung hindi ako nag-exit dito, pwede rin ako mag-exit dito, but the reason why hindi ako nag-exit dito, dahil this is I have a key level dito, so it could reverse back pababa. So, titignan ko ano yung magiging reaction dito sa line na to. Yan, titignan ko anong reaction dyan because that's my other level, so pwede siyang mag-react there and go down, mag-reverse. But then, hindi siya nag-reverse. It closed above this line. That's why I exit straight away. And I've given little bit time to move, a little space for the price to move sa my stop ko. But, as you can see, kung hindi ako nag-exit, then, masyado ng malayo ang tinaas from my exit. And that could probably, baka mga $80 loss na yon instead of $48. Okay? So, ganyan talaga. Walang panghihinayang. What's important is you followed your plan. Hindi everyday you will gain. Hindi everyday is sasang-ayon sa'yo yung market. Kahit na naipit ako ng $48, it doesn't matter. Amount. We're not looking at the amount of na natalo or na napanalunan. Ang importante dito is how did you execute your trades? Kahit na nanalo ka, pero hindi mo sinulod, hindi mo finalo yung plan mo dahil sa emotions mo, then it is a bad trade. So this one, a losing trade with an amount of negative 48, but it's a good loss. Okay? Good loss kasi sinunod ko yung strategy ko. Nag-stop ako kung saan ako dapat mag-i-stop. Alright. So now it's consolidating. Okay? So that's it for today, and here is so here is the summary of my trade. Ito yung order ko. Ayan, so natanggal ko na siya. So today I am Ipit of negative 48. That's how it is. Just be happy, relax, accept yung pagkatalo. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay? Just always follow your plan, your strategy, and build good habit. Lalo na sa pag-execute ng stop.